Righto, what have we got in store for you today? Well, we've installed our carbon panels, which I think are an absolute delight. Very light, custom made for me, available on the website, see link below. The delivery times come down now, probably get them in. We've got 3 sets coming, so if anybody wants any, get in touch and you can buy the sets I've got coming. So check that out. So today I have decided to do this. Well, whether it works or not is a different kettle of fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this blue, but this exact blue. Okay, really simple. Get yourself on Amazon, buy some vehicle wrapping exactly the same colour as that. Cost about 11 quid. Take a really light stolen screw fix pencil and just make a light mark where you've got a cover. That will just polish off if need be. Buzz off the panel. Dropping the washer on the floor as normal. Hold on to the panel because remember the clip isn't in there. Then cut this out and cover that area. But clean this first with alcohol so it sticks well. Now when you clean that with alcohol, you're going to lose the point of reference. So just mark there, cover there, cover there, cover here and cover here. So you don't want it to come off. Grab some alcohol. This is a one-take video, so whatever goes wrong goes wrong. Actually, do not use pure alcohol. That's all. Something's already gone wrong. Use panel wipe. I've used pure alcohol before and buggers everything up. So grab a bit of panel wipe, squat it on a rag. Now use panel wipe for the ceramic coat. Anybody got any questions on that, you can email me. So therefore I've left my marker points. Let that dry, that'll dry quick. And then cut out what you need from said square. I'm actually going to go and get a pair of scissors, it'll be a whole lot easier. So I am not going to do this in 2 takes. So keep a watching. So as I said, this is a warts and all video. Heat the panel up first and then work from the middle out. You've probably got wrappers all around the country going, what a frigging dickhead. But that is the way I'm doing it. And then I'm getting all my bubbles out. And with the panel being warm from the previous heat gun, it's a fucking bubble there now. There we go. So there you go. Peel it back, squeeze your bubble out. Then get your heat gun and shrink her into place. Not too hot. Starts to melt real quick. Let's see how that looks. Perfect. Trim that off with a Stanley. Gently. And she's done. Now, finding the bloody Stanley is a different story. Here it is. So just gently pierce through it and just cut through the material itself. Lift it up and hopefully it will tear away. Get the gun back on it. Tempted to lift that again. It's hot. Smudge, you'll be laughing at me right now. You probably go, he's made a right hash of that. Well, probably have, but there you go. Okay. Locate the bottom screw first. And by the way, if anybody wants to buy these panels, we've got some coming in next week now. So they're not going to be weeks away. They are going to be days away. So £249, link below. And if you want some of this blue stuff, let me know and I'll put a couple of squares in the pack for you, because I've got a whole roll of the damn stuff and I don't need it. That is only to the guys for the first 10 orders. I love that. Exactly the same colour as that. Perfect. Really genuinely like that. Just adds a bit of classiness to it. What do you think? Bullshit? Taught you to suck eggs? So don't forget, carbon panels available on the website. Real carbon. You've probably seen the other video. That's the BMW blue and that's the match on the link below. That is vehicle wrapping material available on the website. I love it. Thanks for watching. Take care.